So whenever we are talking about oxidation of ethanol, what you need to know and understand is that potassium dichromate solution is acidified with dilute sulfuric acid to oxidize ethanol to what? Ethanoic acid. This is what you are supposed to understand. So when ethanol undergoes oxidation, what we mean is that this is an alcohol. This alcohol will be changed to a carboxylic acid. By this process, we are calling oxidation of ethanol. So from alcohols, I'm just focusing on ethanol in this particular lesson. So a catalyst that gets to help this ethanol to be changed to a carboxylic acid called ethanoic acid, we must have potassium dichromate solution, which is acidified with dilute sulfuric acid, so that we are able to change ethanol to ethanoic acid. So this is what gets to happen. I want you people to understand this. What you need to know is that the number of carbons drop by 1. Hydrogens drop by 2. This is what you need to understand. So when we get 1 there, we are going to remain with 1 carbon. Hydrogens, we are having how many? We are having 5. We get 2, we remain with 3. The carbon that we removed, you write it here. So I'm not remaining with any carbon. Then this is oxygen having 2 atoms. You get 1, you put it there. Then you say OH. There OH. You say plus. These we removed 2 atoms from hydrogen. So I light them here, 2 like this. Then this one I just removed 1. So I'm having another 1 here. This is what you are supposed to know. So this compound that is formed here, this is the compound I'm calling what? Ethanoic acid. This is what you are supposed to know. This is what? Ethanoic acid. So this is oxidation of ethanol. In other words, when an alcohol reacts with atmospheric oxygen under a certain catalyst called dilute sulfuric acid, then you need to know and understand that ethanol is changed to ethanoic acid. If it is methanol, methanol will be changed to what? Whenever you are having methanol, meaning that methanol will be changed to what? Methanoic acid. So this one will be changed to what? Methanoic acid. If you are having propanol, so if you are having propanol, what you need to know that when this one, the potassium dichromate solution, when it is solidified with dilute sulfuric acid, this one is oxidized to what we are calling what? Propanoic acid. This is what you are supposed to know. To what? Propanoic acid. So these are some of the things that you are supposed to know, that you need to understand. So if you are looking for tuitions, I'm an academic tutor for mathematics and science. We also do biology at the moment under my online lessons. You get to WhatsApp me on this number so that I help you get a distinction in mathematics or science. This is my number. All my lessons are done live on Telegram. So if you want tuitions in mathematics, science, and biology, this is the number that you need to WhatsApp on WhatsApp. WhatsApp me there, then I'll be there to respond and help you. I just do them at an affordable fee. Before I conclude this, let me now teach you about this last one. This is propanol. How is propanol changing to propanoic? What you are supposed to know, I believe we all understand alcohols. So you need to know how an alcohol is. Whenever we are talking about a carboxylic acid, so each time we are talking about a carboxylic acid, these are organic compounds that get to have what we call a carboxyl group. They have what we call a carboxyl group. How is a carboxyl group? A carboxyl group is like this. Like this, they end with COOH. This is a carboxyl group, which is sometimes written like this. There is a double bond there. Then this side we say OH. It is just one and the same. Have you seen? But whenever we are talking about alcohols, what you are supposed to know that they get to have what we call an hydroxyl group. They have what we call an hydroxyl group. This hydroxyl group is like this. They end with OH. This is what you are supposed to know. So these are some of the things that will help you identify alcohols and carboxylic acids. So away from this now, let us look at this one that is here. So I'm calling this as what? Oxidation of propanol. So let us look at oxidation. This is oxidation. I'll say oxidation. This is oxidation. Oxidation of what? Propanol. So oxidation of propanol. So meaning, how is propanol? 3, position 3. So you say this one 3 like this. Then you say times 2 plus 1. That is a 7. You say OH. When it reacts with atmospheric oxygen, what is formed here? So this one I've told you that it drops by 1. So you are going to have 2. You say H. This one drops by 2. 7, remove 2, you remain with 5. The C that adds to drop, you write it here. Then this O2, you get 1. Then you write OH there, OH. Then plus water. 2 that we removed, the O that remained there. So this compound that is here, this is what I'm now calling what? Propanoic acid. This is what we are calling now propanoic acid. Hope you've seen how these things get to be formed. This is what we are calling what? Propanoic acid. So these are some of the things that you need to know. These are some of the things that you need to pay attention to. So don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to like this platform. This is your tutor, Tutor Harrison J. Zulu. Thank you so much.